Keith once again, and we decided we'll go out for a little ride before I have to go back to work. Now, as I'm filming this morning I decided, hey, I really do want to get over to the United States and meet all you fine folk over there that are helping and supporting me and my channel. So I decided, you know, I'm going to bite the bullet and I'll do a GoFundMe. And I'd really like to thank you lot so far, the likes of Tori, Crabtree, we've got Ricky Biber, VrexMoto, and the one who kicked it off with a great video, Sean from your UCM Pigs, you legends. Already you've done up stuff and donated, and that's just, yeah, I am sporting this chest mount at the moment. This audio might not come through very well, so I apologise. Thought I'd just do something different, see if it works out. So we're just going for a little ride today through to, what was it, Barker Gully, whatever road, I can't remember names. Just gone through Clarendon then. Some nice hills ride. Nothing too strenuous because I'm on the bulk bucket. And I don't think those boulevards really got much of a lean angle. And if you haven't already, go subscribe to that man ahead, Roland Keith. His link will be in the description. He's a local to me, so we're going to get out and about more often. We'll see more of each other on each other's channels. Now, if you ever want to meet up and go for a ride, hit me up on Instagram. I'd love to. You all good?
Yeah, this is a nice old classic bit of Australiana if you want to take a bit of footage of that. I don't know.
Does anyone live here?
Huh?
Does anyone live here?
I don't think so.
What?
I don't think so.
Should we pull up in the driveway or?
No, but I have videoed from out the front and sort of walked up to the driveway.
Oh yeah.
But it's a cool old place.
I'm trying to turn my chest the best I can. Yeah, right.
I don't know how old it is, but yeah, it's getting there.
Hey, look at that roof. That's
Yeah.
just
I wouldn't mind the joint myself.
make it into a bit of a museum garage.
Eh?
A bit of a museum / garage type
Yeah, yeah. It's pretty cool old place.
living.
But I don't think anyone lives there. I think obviously there's another house somewhere nearby.
Yeah.
But,
So they got all these sheds just next to it as well, eh?
yeah.
Alright. Off we go. Suck that in. So we don't have the tail of the dragon or likes of that over here. We just got what we call the hills. Basically, 3 areas like this. Now here we are on Kapringa River National Park. welcome back. Playing a bit of follow the leader today. See wherever RK takes me. See how it goes. So, just realised I'm missing a bolt.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's right, a bolt from my subframe.
Uh-oh.
So I'm going to have to replace that sometime real soon. God knows where the hell that's gone. Where you going, boys, or where you going?
We'll head down to, straight down to the beach.
If only more broads were like you. If only more broads were like you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is art right in front of you. That's a Ford Falcon XF. Look at it in all its glory. Beautiful. Have you seen a more glorious car?
I know. The old XF.
Oh, that is just primo right there.
Not bad, is it?
Oh, fuck. Love it. Celebrations drive through. Let's see what we can get here. The selection. Jim, Jack, it's turkey, Jamos. Just grab something or something and then.
Same shit? No?
Same shit but smaller. Fuck it.
What's going on here? Pygmy ones.
Fucking, what are they doing to us? Go wild turkey.
Yeah, alright.
850, a couple of those or?
Yeah, a couple of those is good.
Let's do that.
Nice and cold.
Go. Bloody choppy at the beach today. Jeez. Got some surfies out there. Oh, I don't blame, it's not too bad. No overhead, but she's alright. Probably about 3 foot tops. What? Yeah.
Fucking hell, your bike's pretty loud when you take it back and
You like that?
Yeah. So, okay, yeah, you definitely hear it now.
Yeah. It's not too bad like idling and shit. It's like blah, 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 and then all of a sudden it's just like
it kind of jumps up.
yeah. It's only like 81 or so, and then all of a sudden it just opens up and you're just like, yep, it's there. Needed it.